How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 rear shroud. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud. Lift the rear of the shroud, then disconnect the shroud connector. Remove the shroud from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Note the tabs on the front of the rear shroud. Note the corresponding slots on the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, then connect the connectors. Slide the rear shroud tabs into the slots on the chair. Replace the 3 screws to secure the rear shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.